Okay, as you can see, we're reading the EEPROM on this old Ford Connect, basically this old this dashboard. The fuel gauge doesn't work. A customer's bought another one, and what we've got to do is copy it, transfer all the information across, which is here, to the replacement cluster, okay, including the keys and the vehicle identification, all the immobilizer, all the settings, everything. So I want to go save, and I want to save that to Connect. There it is, there. Save. Okay. Then I want to escape from that. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to fit this one and then transfer the information across from that one to this one. Okay, so bear with me. The replacement is now plugged in. If I just turn the ignition on, you'll see that the immobilizer light will be flashing rapidly. And we should get some fuel showing on this display. Get it like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to transfer all the information across now, including the mileage. So if you note that mileage says 152,496, we'll see what it's like when it's been done. So what I'm going to have to do is go OBD. I want to read it first. Okay, it's reading the prompt. So what I'll do is I'll bring you back when it's nearly finished reading. Nearly finished reading. Okay, everything's all right. So what I want to do with that is I'm just going to save that, and we can save it into this one, ATIT, so it's going to be exactly the same. So I want to change this one to donor, DONOR. So this is the donor. Save that. Then I want to load the original, which is this one, and I want to put that open. Okay, and I want to write it to this cluster, the whole EEPROM. So that's immobilizers, mileage, the lot. Okay, so it'll do that. So at the moment, as you can see, it was 152,000. We want to see it when it's finished, be the original mileage. So it's right in the EEPROM now. This takes quite some time, so I'll bring you back when it's nearly done. So the EEPROM's nearly finished. Okay. Dash is resetting, and there we go. It's now at 180,987, which is the correct mileage for this vehicle. Now if I turn the engine off, see the little light, turn the ignition back on, the little light should go out and the vehicle should start. There we go. So that was an exact copy. That took about 5 minutes. An exact copy of one cluster across to the other, plugged into the vehicle, so you don't even need to strip the cluster down. These Ford OBD leads are available on our website at $2.99, and if you're interested, just drop me a comment and I'll send you all the details across. Okay, thanks for watching.